Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on Rocky Linux 10 versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser, click on download Chrome. Then for Rocky or Alma Linux or Red Hat, we have to select this 64-bit RPM. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 137 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to install this RPM package. Sudo rpm -ibh -no deps. Then type Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard. Hit enter, then put the password of the currently logged user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable release 151. Ignore this error, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, click on Google Chrome, accept the terms of license agreement. If you want to make Google Chrome as a default browser, you have to keep the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable release 151 on Rocky Linux standard. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.